Welcome back to my channel, everybody. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a flashlight, but before we get to this through night flashlight, I'm going to be showing you some video I got on my trail camera. On the very last turkey hunt of this year, I set up a Jake decoy that I attached real wing feathers and a Jake tail fan to, and I put the trail camera on video mode over it and let it sit there for 3 or 4 days afterward, and got some pretty cool footage of some longbeards on that decoy. So I'm going to show you that right now, and then after that's over, I'm going to do a little review of this flashlight and tell you about it and how you can get your hands on one. So before you even watch the video, I appreciate everybody tuning in and taking a look. Well, there's my little homemade Jake decoy. Put some real feathers on them and Jake fan. I'm just going to leave them out here. I got the trail camera set up there, so we'll see if anything happens with that. Maybe we'll get beat up. Okay, everybody, so this right here is the Through Night Neutron 2C V3 micro USB chargeable LED flashlight. We'll go ahead and unbox it. It comes in a nice sturdy box, as you can see right there. So we'll go ahead and see what's inside of it. So here is the flashlight itself, and it does come charged. As you can see right there. First thing you notice really with the flashlight is really well built. This is all metal and feels very sturdy. Right here's a USB charger. So we'll get back in here and see the charging cable and stuff. Here's your user's manual. This is a little thank you letter from Strut. Comes with a carrying case that you could attach to a belt or strap. And then here's your charging cable. And then a clip that you can clip right on here. We'll open it up and show you the battery compartment. This flashlight right here has a max output of 1,100 lumens with a beam distance of 262 yards. So that is a long ways. I'll take it down the basement in a second and show you what it looks like down there. It also has a brightness adjustment, so if you double click it and then hold it down, you see how it gets dimmer. It keeps going dimmer until it blinks at you, and then if you click it and hold it on, it'll get brighter and brighter and brighter. So there's not like it's just 3 settings. There's, you know, you can make it as bright as you want it. It does take multiple batteries too. You're not just limited to the battery that's in there. This product also comes with a 2-year warranty package on it, worry-free. So they obviously take a lot of pride in their products. The housing is high-strength aluminum, and its voltage is 9 volts. This flashlight is rated 4 out of 5 stars on Amazon, and if you guys are interested in this, if you look in the description below, I'm going to have a link to purchase one of these straight to Amazon, and there'll be a link right to Strut website, so I'll put that right in the description below. Let's go see how this works in the dark. Okay folks, that's going to be a wrap on this video. I appreciate everybody watching, and if you're interested in purchasing one of these flashlights, the Amazon link is in the description below. Just click on that and you'll find yourself looking at one of these little bad boys. These things are perfect for hunters like us. I mean, it's a small, compact, super bright flashlight, so if you're bow hunting or whatever, you know, this is ideal. It's not going to take up a lot of space. You can have it right in your pocket. You can get in and out of the woods in the dark with it, and even if you get a hit in the evening and you're looking for a spot of blood, you know, before you back out, this thing is perfect. So appreciate everybody watching, and I'll see you on a video here soon. Take it easy.